Hi friends, I'm Preeti Agarwal. Welcome to my channel. I'm back with another important topic that is constitution. Before starting the topic, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी कि जो हमारा यूनिट था हायर एजुकेशन सिस्टम, इसके दो पार्ट हैं. इन वन पार्ट वी आर टॉकिंग ओनली अबाउट एजुकेशन और अनदर पार्ट में हम गवर्नमेंट के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं. सो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन उसी का एक टॉपिक है. नाउ कमिंग टू द टॉपिक, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या है? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन is a document in which the basis, policies, and the functions of the government is explained. इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को ड्राफ्ट करने का सजेशन दिया था मिस्टर M.N. रॉय ने इन 1934 में एंड इट वाज एक्सेप्टेड इन 1940. Mr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee of the constitution. That is why he is known as the father of the constitution. हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ड्राफ्ट होके तैयार हुआ था ऑन 26 नवंबर 1949 को, बट इसको हमने एनफोर्स किया था ऑन 26 जनवरी 1950 को. सो दैट इज व्हाई दैट डे इज नोन एज रिपब्लिक डे ऑफ इंडिया. हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज द वर्ड्स लेंथिएस्ट रिटन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है. इट हैज अ preamble in which the brief introduction of the constitution is given. We are having the federal policy government which work in a parliamentary way, and there are few fundamental rights are given to the citizens of India. With the rights, fundamental duties भी दी है उनको. And there are some directive principles for the states to work according to that principle for the welfare of the citizens of India. So there is secularism है, किसी भी स्टेट का कोई भी रिलीजन नहीं है. देर इज सिंगल सिटीजनशिप है, कोई भी सिटीजन किसी भी स्टेट का हो बट दे आर नोन एज इंडियंस. हमारा जो जुडिशरी सिस्टम है दैट इज ऑल्सो इंडिपेंडेंट है, इंटीग्रेटेड है, एंड देर इज अ प्रोविजन फॉर द अमेंडमेंट इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. अभी इन्हीं फीचर्स को हम थोड़ा सा डिटेल में स्टडी करेंगे. As I told you कि Indian Constitution is the world's lengthiest constitution है. It contains preamble and latest इसमें 48 articles हैं, 12 schedules हैं and 25 parts हैं. Whereas when it was drafted, the number of articles were 395 and it was having 22 parts and the 5 schedules. The preamble clearly explained that India is a sovereign, secular, socialist, democratic republic country है. Drafters of the constitution included the different features according to the needs of the country. उन्होंने काफी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस को स्टडी किया. सो वॉट एवर दे थिंक इज बेस्ट फॉर आवर कंट्री, दे हैव ऑप्टेड दैट फीचर in our constitution. We are having the federal system of the government. Center और state की powers divide है, and there are few fields in which both are working together. There is a parliamentary form of government है. Executive branches are accountable to the legislative branches. And there is bicameral legislature है. Means central level पे भी there are 2 houses and even at state level there are 2 houses. We are having a 3-tier government system, center, state and local government है. Even at local level, municipalities and the panchayats are also having the 3-tier system. In our constitutions, we have made the provisions for the emergencies this national emergency. At state level, there are presidential rule is applicable, and during the financial emergencies is for the financial emergencies provisions are also made. यहाँ पे मैं आपको बता दूं कि whenever there are emergencies, जो हमारा फेडरल सिस्टम है, it becomes a unitary system. 6 fundamental rights are given to the citizens of India, and Supreme Court acts as the custodian of our fundamental rights. There are few fundamental duties which each and every citizen of India has to perform for the sake of fellow citizens, for the sake of nation, and for the sake of societies. Any adult of age 18 or above, they have right to vote. As I told you earlier, कि there is a single citizenship. कोई भी citizen किसी भी state का है, they are known as Indian. There are independent bodies हैं, they work independently without anyone's interference. Even हमारा जो judiciary system है, that is also independent. That's all in this video. I have explained you the features of the constitution. Keep watching the videos. In the next video, going to discuss another important topic. Till then, goodbye. All the best.